The sixth stage of the 2012 Amgen Tour of California took place on Friday. American Dave Zabriskie, who won the individual time trial on Thursday, had the overall lead heading into the stage. Heading up an ascent early in the race, Canada's David Boyle pulled over and called it a day. The 115.7-mile stage ran from Palmdale to Big Bear Lake, the first of two successive mountain stages. Sébastien Salas and Sylvain Georges of France made a move to the front with just over 30 miles left in the stage. A short time later, Georges was alone in front. After the second mountain sprint, he attacked and eventually built a lead of more than 5 minutes. 28-year-old Georges claimed his fifth career stage win after pedalling alone in the lead for the final 30 miles. He completed the leg in 5 hours, 7 minutes and 6 seconds. Petter Sagan, who won the first 4 stages, finished second by 28 seconds in the stage that featured 4 climbs. Zabriskie finished 21st in the main field. He maintained a 34-second race lead over TJ Van Garderen of Tacoma, Washington. The 8-day 735-mile race continues on Saturday with the 7th stage road race from Ontario to Mount Baldy.